Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 2025. I'm Brent. This is the first video of the year. It's going to be cool because we got a 2020 GT500 we just finished. Lays down over 1,000 roll horsepower. We're going to check out the engine compartment. We're going to watch a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date. Let's go check it out. Okay, so how did we get there? Honestly, pretty easy. Doug, come down here, take a look. So we're running a ported factory supercharger, 2.4 pulley. This baby comes in at 23 pounds of boost, JLT air induction system, American Racing long tube headers, 1,300 injectors, and a 4 return style fuel system. That's pretty much it. This baby lays down about 1,010. Check out this dyno pull. Okay, a couple things. We are located in Indiana. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? Email quote at brenspeed.com. Open that description. Links to the parts we just talked about. And I didn't mention it earlier, but this is an E85 car. You're not running this boost on 93. Doug, come over here, take a look. DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5, 1,010 roll horsepower at almost 7,800 RPM. Love that torque, 735, peaking at 5,500, and boost peaks 23 pounds, 7,800. You can see the boost coming up across the board right there. Smooth graph, you gotta love it. And again, DynoJet SAE. This is a DynoJet 224X. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. You gotta love this car right here. This thing's beautiful. 2020 GT500. Happy 2025. Subscribe, notify, stay up to date. A lot of more videos coming out this year. Thanks for watching.